Ever felt like investing is this exclusive club you just can't get into? Like it's reserved for Wall Street gurus and people who understand terms like beta and alpha? Yeah, I've been there. But what if I told you there's a way to start investing with literally just a few dollars and a few minutes of your time? I'm talking about Acorns, the micro-investing app that's making investing accessible to everyone. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to set up an Acorns account, step by step. Now, before we dive in, let's talk a little bit about why investing is so important. Think about your financial goals. Maybe it's buying a house, retiring early, or just having a little extra cushion for emergencies. Investing is the key to making those dreams a reality. It's about putting your money to work for you so it can grow over time. And the earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. That's the magic of compound interest, where you earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the interest you've already earned. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger as it goes. Acorns makes this whole process incredibly simple. It's designed for beginners, and it takes the intimidation out of investing. You don't need to be a financial whiz to use it. In fact, you don't even need to know much about stocks or bonds. Acorns handles all the heavy lifting for you. So, what do you need to get started? First things first, you'll need a smartphone. Acorns is a mobile app, so you'll need either an iPhone or an Android device. Make sure it's relatively recent, so it can run the app smoothly. Next, you'll need to be at least 18 years old. This is a standard requirement for most investment platforms. You'll also need a valid email address and phone number. Acorns will use these to communicate with you about your account and send you important updates. Now, here's where it gets a little more specific. You'll need a bank account. This is crucial because Acorns works by linking to your bank account. This allows you to transfer money into your Acorns account and also allows Acorns to automatically invest your spare change. We'll talk more about that spare change feature in a bit. Make sure you have your bank account information handy, including your routing number and account number. You can usually find this information on your checks or by logging into your online banking. You'll also need your Social Security number, SSN. This is required for tax purposes. Acorns, like all legitimate investment platforms, is required to report your earnings to the IRS. Don't worry, your SSN is safe with Acorns. They use industry-standard encryption to protect your personal information. Now, let's talk about that spare change feature I mentioned earlier. This is one of the coolest things about Acorns. It's called roundups. Essentially, Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, let's say you buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns will round that up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. It's like saving without even thinking about it. Over time, those small amounts can really add up. To enable roundups, you'll need to link your debit or credit cards to your Acorns account. Again, this is a secure process, and Acorns uses encryption to protect your financial information. Once you have all this information gathered, you're ready to create your Acorns account. The process is super simple and straightforward. You'll download the Acorns app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, you'll follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to provide your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and SSN. You'll also need to link your bank account and choose your investment portfolio. Acorns offers several different portfolio options, ranging from conservative to aggressive. If you're new to investing, you might want to start with a more conservative portfolio. These portfolios are designed to be less risky, but they may also offer lower returns. As you become more comfortable with investing, you can always adjust your portfolio later. One of the great things about Acorns is that there are no minimum investment amounts to get started. You can literally start with just a few dollars. This makes it perfect for beginners who are just dipping their toes into the world of investing. You can also set up recurring investments, so you can automatically contribute money to your Acorns account on a regular basis. This is a great way to build wealth over time. Now, let's recap what you need to set up an Acorns account. A smartphone, iPhone, or Android. Be at least 18 years old. A valid email address and phone number. A bank account, routing number and account number. Your social security number, SSN. Your debit or credit card information for roundups. That's it. Once you have all this information ready, you can create your Acorns account in just a few minutes. And remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Acorns makes investing accessible to everyone. So, if you're ready to start building your financial future, I highly recommend checking out Acorns. It's a simple, affordable, and effective way to start investing, even if you're starting with just a few dollars. Don't wait any longer. Start investing today and let your money work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.